All right, guys, sorry about that. We cut out for a second when the on the last box. I saw we were frozen. We got 9 out of 25. Gary Sheffield. This will be part 2 for the Yankees. So purple parallel of Gary Sheffield out of 25 for New York. And then right behind that, we got 15 of 35 for the Reds. Dave Concepcion, 25 of 35 for Cincinnati. Dave Concepcion, 25 of 35 for the Cincinnati Reds. Sorry about that freezing, guys. Let's go over our hits one more time in case you guys have any questions. We got Gary Sheffield out of 25, Yankees. Concepcion out of 35, Reds. Gaddis out of 35, Braves. Marte out of 35 for the Pirates. We got Gregorius out of 20 for the Diamondbacks. We got Greenwell out of 50 for Boston. Alex Wood out of 10 for the Braves. Starting Castro out of 20 for the Cubs. $20 for the Cubs, starting Castro. Zimmerman out of 15 for the Nationals. We have a dual auto of Vogelsong and Colby Lewis, which is going to be randomized right now out of 25. Let me set up a randomizer. Random.org, and we'll go Giants. Giants, Rangers. There we go. Our randomizer, guys. Giants, Rangers in order of the card. Focus here. There we go. 5 times. Good luck. 1. Giants on top. 2. Giants on top. 3. Giants on top. 4. Giants still on top. Giants going for the sweep. There's our time, guys. 5th and final time. Good luck. Rangers. Rangers with the last second heroics. 42. 5 times. So the Rangers are taking home the Vogelsong Colby Lewis dual auto. That's our break, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for breaking with cardboardhobby.com. So if you guys want to see anything again, have any questions, feel free to ask. Let me know.